Today I will show you the most powerful combos in Magic Rampage. This set is for Rogue. This set will help you to run faster and good damage. This set can pierce through barriers and protect you from fire, but it can't walk on green platforms. Next up, Ranger. For Ranger, I have this set. Where is that? This Warden of Demons, or even the Tunic of Relentlessness, both whatever you choose, or even the Catalysm of Plate, whatever you choose. I prefer the Tunic of Relentlessness, and you can use Sword of 1000 Lives or the Ice Claw. I like that Sword of 1000 Lives, and I use this Whisper of Fire, or even like this one, Shootiloo. This will help you get great damage. I'm on Rogue right now, so it will not do great damage. Let me change to Ranger first, then I will show you. It does near 13,000 damage. It can pierce through barriers. You can walk on fire, but you can't walk on green platforms. And another set for Ranger is this. You can use Ice Claw or both of them, whichever you want. In this set, I want the Ice Claw. I will put the Ice Claw and the Vina. Then I can walk on green platforms. I will protect it from fires, and I can't pierce through barriers, but it does 12,000 damage. Near 12,000, not 12,000. You will need the Tunic of Relentlessness, Vina, and Ice Claw. Another set for Ranger is the Warden of Demons, the All-Seeing Axe, and the Whisper of Death. Whisper of Fire. This is the combo, and you can also use the Catalysm Plate for this set. It also does some great damage. Here you go. And if you want some other Rogue sets, I have also got that. Wait a minute. For Rogue, you will need the Wind Witch dress, then Shootiloo dagger, and then Whisper of Death. It will do for 54 near 6,000 damage, and also it can pierce through barriers. Another set for Rogue is with Dark Lord set with the same, but it's all dark type. And then if you want to change it, you can also change it to All-Seeing Ring. It doesn't do damage, but you can walk faster. Then sorry for the wait a minute, I was walking. For another set, you can also use the Death Stalker with Whisper of Fire. It doesn't does damage, but good speed. Or also Whisper of Death you can use, but this does much damage and you can walk faster. And for the last set for Ranger, I have, or you can call it for also you can also use it for High Mage or Witch Doctor and Ranger. I prefer Witch Doctor for this set, so I will use that. And for another set, I've got an Elite Warrior set after this set. For Witch Doctor, I have Tunic of Endless Justice, Vina, and then golden dragon staff or any kind of powerful staff. I use this because this does the most damage for me for this set, and the skeletons will be also big, and it can one shot like half of the things in the game. The next set is for elite warrior. Elite warrior is very defensive plus bulky, so I've got a defensive set for it. You will need the catalysm plate and the liquid hammer. I have the liquid hammer right now. You can also use other hammers. I use the liquid hammer. I will use the bone hammer for this because it does great damage. And this ring, this does good armor, 254. Now other things, let me show you. This also can help. This also does great damage plus good armor, plus it has high destructive power. Then you can also use this one, but it doesn't do much damage because it's minus hammer damage. So probably this or something else. You can also use Veena sometimes, but it's I use this set just to walk on green platforms and destroy barriers. So this is the set I use for competitive. Thank you guys. Peace.